Doug Davis, president of Stuart Air Show.
Glenn Rivers, board member, Stuart Air Show.
We're happy to announce that we're going to have SafeSpace come out and be a part of the Stuart Air Show on Saturday, November 12th. Have a group of people coming out, walking a mile in her shoes to raise awareness for domestic violence.
So we walked a mile in her shoes today.
And we'll be swamped getting ready for the air show and then organizing all that day of, so put our time in today to raise awareness. So we've got a lot of community partners that benefit from the air show in a lot of different ways. If you head over to stuartairshow.com, you can see a list of sponsors, sign up to volunteer, sign up to buy tickets. There's a lot of opportunities.